Want to write like a pro without lifting a pen? Let's explore how the AI Writer tool in Simplified AI can handle your blogs, emails, and captions in seconds. First, open the app and make sure you are signed in. Now head to AI tools on the dashboard and select AI Writers. You will be greeted with a list of writing tasks, blog posts, emails, product descriptions, ad copy. Pick the one you need. Now enter your topic, choose the tone, language, and ideal length. For example, for a blog post on top 5 marketing tips for 2025, just type that in and set a casual tone and hit generate. Within seconds, you will see beautifully written content tailored to your input. You can copy it, fine tune phrases, or click regenerate for a new version. If the output feels off, tweak your topic or tone. Use the expand tool to make sections longer or more detailed. What's the first thing you are writing with AI? A vlog, caption, or email? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.